Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bala here from Talent Traders and I'm a SEBI certified investment advisor. So here this video I'm going to show you how we make a profit in IEX that I'm going to discuss with you right now. And based on the candlesticks pattern we are doing the trading, and I have already updated all my candlesticks pattern which I created. Only few are pending. Just go through that and testing it out. Once it is completed, I'm going to update on my Telegram channel. And I was thankful to you all. We are reaching more than 200 subscribers on my Telegram channel. So that is giving me such a great support. And also in my YouTube channel. So the most of the daily we are gaining more subscribers. I was thankful to you all because of you are joining with me, and a lot of people who are joining my paid classes right now, and happy to that. And now this video I'm going to show IEX candlesticks patterns. So based on that, I have taken a position and I still keep holding. Today only I have booked that profit on IEX that was giving you somewhere around 17,000 rupees profit that we have already updated on our Telegram channel. So two of my students who taken that position on IEX, so almost we booked profit around 34,000. So what the candlesticks it's I followed to make the trade, so that I'm going to discuss here, right? So where you look at this candlesticks pattern, the first candle which forms they are spinning top of kind of candle, but that the wicks of this candle must be equal, but the lower candle is not equal, right? So the second day it is forming a inside out down candlesticks pattern, where you can see if you are going to check it out, but this is not exactly inside out pattern, but sorry, this is what not updated on our scanners because the candle is not a peak. So we mentioned 50%, but it looks like a inside out down candlesticks pattern. At this point it forms a inside out candlesticks pattern, right? So once the inside out candlesticks pattern forms, what we are going to plan, so to make a sell below that level, right? So that is what our sell entry, but it's not an exact candlesticks pattern where inside out down, but the next day where you check it out, this is what perfect inside out pattern, but what it happened, so it is not able to close the die. So fine, it was trading near about the previous candle open inside out up. The first day inside out down, the second day inside out up. The previous trend of the stock is still keep on moving up, right? So where we are expecting for the reversal at this point, right? At this point we are expecting a reversal, but what happened, the market is not reversing at the point. Immediately the next day, which forms a looks like inside out of pattern, this two candles inside out of pattern. So in where we are taken the position at this point around somewhere, this point is around somewhere 540 561. So at the time of 561, what we are going to take an 560 call option, right? So we expected, or I expected, based on this candlesticks pattern, there is a movement can move up from that level, and I bought 560 call option on the day 6th September, and I am holding that position around 34.2 is my entry point where I was taken based on this candlesticks. After the next day, the same option would move to somewhere 45. So I bought a 34. I am not booked that, so I'm expecting even more. But the same day, it forms a spinning top like a candle, but it is not a highest level, but the candle is forms a spinning top. And today it started near about the highest level, and I think it will move up today. So here it broken that spinning top high, as well as it moves and closed above that high. So still there is a possibilities and positiveness continue maybe in the stock. We holding with a position from 34.2, and I should exited by almost 48, and after that it moves towards 51, so we don't worry about the trade. So what I'm expecting the profit, so that was given on the stock, so that is good enough. So somewhere around the 17,000 I made, I think. Yes, this one, this IEX, this is what the closing price of the yesterday, but we don't take in this for intraday. We are holding this position from 2 days back, and today we have exited 47.7 and 48. Almost this one is near about 17,000 profit in one client. So another client who booked such a great profit of 17,500, both are equal profit only, but here it's showing you from closing price, and someone who updated on my Telegram channel, so that is what the exact entry point from that trade. So once you are looking out the candlesticks pattern, there is a good possibilities and good opportunities where we can find out. Even I cannot able to find all the candlesticks pattern. So that is why I created a scanner. But even I can find one or two stocks that I'm going to do the trade. So that is why I provided all the scanners in my Telegram channel. You can make use of it. So because when I see Tata Motor, you may be seeing Jindal Steel like that. Okay, so I cannot able to track more than 10-15 stocks because it is a tough one. So that is why I given the screeners to free of cost. You can make use of it and read more about candlesticks pattern, and it will such a great profit, and it gives you such a great confidence while I'm doing the trade and while I'm initiating my trade. That was giving you such a great confidence. So this will go or this will go down. So like that before making the trade, I can place the orders by confident with the confident using this candlesticks pattern. Such a great informations were provided by candlesticks pattern. So once you read that candlesticks, 100% sure you are going to make such a great money in the market. So that is my suggestion. Use, follow and read somewhere else, and Google it and YouTube it to make read about candlesticks pattern that was working fine and good, and such a great profit, so not a small profit. So we are making such a percentage of 10% and 2%, but this was not making you to like over motivate or over confidence. This was a trade opportunity which present here. When you find out this kind of opportunity based on your risk ability, so you can try to take a position. So that was working good, and even I have holding some 3 position that wasn't running with the loss, still not exited. That is why I am not updated. Some 3 positions I have holding, and still it wasn't running with the loss. No problem. So because the trend and other information was very clear, that is why I'm holding the position. So when the trend is changes, so I should exit my position from the trade. So that is my trade which I have done in IEL, Indian Energy Exchange, I think. This stocks such a giving me such a great profit, and previously also this here on this patterns we make money, and again this pattern we make money. Previously also we made IEX somewhere around 44 to 58. I think that was updated on my Telegram channel. If I go to that, so today we did a IEX 34 to 48, and I think previously with the same stock which I've done to back. Let's check it out. So that second time we have done the trade in IEX this month. I think previously I done a book a profit. Yes, but that time I was taken a 510 call option. This time I was taken. That time I made up 17,500, and recently also I made up 17,500. It gives you more than good enough profit in IEX, 35,000. So such a great profit which I made from that based on the candlesticks. Here I took the candlesticks pattern is nothing but inside out up. So where it is broken that level and keep rocking. And still if I go to check that option 510 which I bought around 44, exited by somewhere around 58. If I check that option, that 510 call option, right now it is trading somewhere around 60, 64. So this is what the candlesticks power. So on few stocks which you have checked out our previous day. So that is also working good, I think. Um, this one Hindustan Unilever, Tata consumer product, again it spikes down and again it spikes up, right? So this kind of movement, how we can manage our position. So let's say here initially it gives you buy and again it gives you sell, again it reversed. If you're following this kind of stocks, it may be confusing. So here we are applying our hedging strategies to make good profit, and also we don't avoid this kind of error movement also if you are making with a hedge kind of trade. So that will help us to make such a great kind of profit. So that's about this video, and today let's complete today's scanner. What are the stock which present on single candlesticks pattern? I think Aarti Industries forming a hammer, and we don't have any shooting star. These are the stocks which forms uh, spinning top here, spinning top at the top. So no other candlesticks pattern. So only Aarti Industries. Let's check ART spelling AART. Let's check out. Yes, it forms a spinning top at the bottom of the market. So, but the risk is very big, around 913 to 884. But previous one up and down, up and down. So there is a bottom where we are going to find out a opportunity. Let's add this. And then these are the spinning top. We got a lot of spinning tops candle. So we will confirmation with other candlesticks pattern. We can use a spinning top as very powerful. And double candlesticks pattern. Let's check it out. What kind of bearish engulfing, Deepak Nitrate, TVS Motor, white inside up where you see that PFC, Federal Bank, IPCA Lab, and Ambuja Cement forming a inside out down. So these stocks we can focus. PFC and Ambuja Cement looks good, and Bank Nifty I don't go for, Federal Bank I don't go for because less value. This one also I'm not going to take. PFC and Ambuja Cement, which I focused here. PFC today end of the day it moves very big. So I seen this same around 129, but suddenly it moves closing hours. Yes, right, 130 to 133, 3 rupees which moves on the closing hours. So on daily chart, inside out, but there is a big candle somewhere around 8 rupees stop loss. So we will wait for that. And another one, which is Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement, yes, in almost bearish engulfing inside out like that. So we will focus this whenever broken below that level. We try to take opportunity. So that's about this video, and we find out such a great opportunity by candlesticks pattern that is always works better. You need to be practice and learn more chart patterns, then you will be getting cleared about that candlesticks pattern. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much for your subscription. And that keeps, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly please subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you very much.